In this video, I will be showing you how to visualize your Airtable records and their dates in a timeline view. So we have our grid view of tasks, and we are going to create a timeline view out of these. We have a start date and we have an end date, which is all we need to be able to create a timeline view. So go to our view menu. We're going to select timeline here, and we're going to create this view. So we have the ability to choose the start date and the end date for our timeline. We're going to click next. And we also have the ability to group our records according to a specific field. So I'm going to group by owner. You can also group by another subcategory as well, but for this, owner is going to be perfectly fine for us. And then you have the ability to customize which labels are seen on your task. So I'll just have name and category here for our purposes. Okay, so as you can see, it's going to plot everything nice and beautifully for us. And we have the ability to change the time scale if we want to be able to see more of these tasks at once. So this looks a little bit better for our use. We can split this time scale into days, weeks, 2 weeks. When it comes to quarters, we can split it into weeks, 2 weeks, or months. For a year, we can do 2 weeks, months, quarters, or 6 months. And then we can also even do 5 years in quarters, 6 months, or years. So we'll do months. It's perfectly fine for us. One thing to know about this type of view is it is a premium view, so you need to have a pro account or higher in order to access this. So we're going to continue diving into this timeline view in later videos, but this has been the basics of the timeline view in Airtable. Stay tuned for the next video.